tell me who you are, please?
Well, I'm Oswald Lee Winter.
And what do you do, Oswald?
I write poetry.
Can you tell us, just for the hell of it, why fundamentally Tony Blair took us into war in Iraq?
He had no choice. I mean, look, the Americans have so much on Blair. They could, he could be put in jail with what they know about him. He's 30. And he's, and the fact that he's an MI5 contractor or snitch isn't going to help him. I think Tony Blair will eventually get his comeuppance.
He's run a couple of chores in town. One of them involved picking up a blanket from his cleaning lady, which is in the back. And the cleaning lady, according to him, is the wife of a local intelligence officer who we saw briefly mounting a huge black motorbike. He looked like a Viking. Tough guy. She looked pretty tough too. She's covered in tattoos. And then we went round to a gunsmith's house, and he's apparently the local German intelligence gunsmith who's supposed to be fixing up Oswald's gun, which is in the back here. And the thing about the gun is that it's apparently only a CIA issued type gun, and it's in bits. He wasn't very pleased when I filmed him taking the gun case to the gunsmiths, who wasn't there, and had left a message saying, I'm at number 3. When we went there, they'd never heard of him. So he just said, Oswald said, so that's another mystery. There are things in this car that are weird. One is that he has special badges on the front of the car, which are for senior NATO personnel. It means he can park anywhere. And the other thing about the car, which is interesting, is the license plate, which spells out the letter CIA but in numbers. And I thought that was kind of a cute little joke.